Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, and that's Cheep. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, that's Wolfy. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, that's Foxtail. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, that's Meowser. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, that's Hoppy. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth. 2 legs, 2 arms, 1 back, and that's me. Head, ears, nose, eyes, cheeks and mouth, cheeks and mouth.
Laundry. Open up the book to the blue page. Beadies in a hurry to use her paint. Everything is blue, Beady is so glad. But the bucket slips out of Beady's hands. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfy have to wear? Wolfy's waking up from a lovely rest. Now it's time for him to get up and dressed. Something isn't right, now our Wolfy knows. Paint is on the ground and on all his clothes. What to do? Oh no, no. Paint is spilled on all the clothes. Oh no, no. It's not fair. What will Wolfy have to wear? Hello, Wolfy. Look. All the striped shirts are dirty.
Well, my name is Wolfy. I know what to do. Whenever there's trouble, I'll solve it with you. Don't frown, little Beady. No need to be sad. We'll clean all the clothes and we'll all be so glad. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will ask all my friends to help too. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you. Let's go, little Beady, we need you to paint some buckets with soap and some water today. We'll wash all together, come on everyone. When washing my clothes we can all still have fun. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will ask all my friends to help too. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do. I will fix all the trouble with you.
What a great idea! Let's wash everything.
The bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full with water now. We'll take water now and pour water out, and we'll make it soapy now. We soap up the water, we we soap up the water, we soap up the water, drop, drop, drop. We wash all the clothes, yeah, that's how it goes, with the water filled with soap. The clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, splash, splash, splash. We give them a rub, we scrub and we scrub, wipe the stains with all the suds. We wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, scrub, scrub, scrub. We rinse and we rinse, we rinse and we rinse in the water till we're done. And now we will hang them, yes we will hang them, we will use a clothespin, snap, snap, snap. The quicker we hang them, the quicker we're done. Washing clothes is so much fun.
Well done, friends! All the striped shirts are nice and clean.
Scooter. Open up the book to the red page. Let's go see what Foxtail will do today. Foxtail likes her sports and to exercise. Does she have in store something very nice? Will we run? Play with ball? Will we jump, try not to fall? Play with hoops? Not today. Foxtail, tell us what to play. Hello, Foxtail. Wow, that's a scooter.
Ride so fast and feel the breeze. Keep your balance, use your speed. I will teach you how today. Who is with me? Come, let's play. Check it out, check it out. I'll show you my scooter now. Scooter, scooter, so much fun. Come here quickly, everyone.
How lovely. Look, your friends want to learn to ride too.
I have 3 nice wheels for you. A platform and brakes to use. I will spin, spin, spin my wheels. You can ride me, it's a deal. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. I'm the fastest on the road. Hold on tightly with your hands. Push your foot and go so fast. Wow, we're moving right along. Push again and sing my song. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. Keep my balance on the road. There's a barrier up there. There's no reason to be scared. Turn the wheel just to the right. Round the barrier we fly. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. I can turn on the road. We can feel the lovely breeze. Oh, how great, my friends, you see. There's a stopwatch, shall we do? Press the brake, I'll slow for you. Super scooter, very fast. It's so fun, so make it last. I roll on and on, you know. I can stop here on the road.
Musical theater. Open up the book to the green page. Meowser has some tickets to give today. Look, there is a curtain and actors too. There will be a show, here's a ticket for you. Musical theater, yes. You're invited as a guest. Gather round, here we go. Meowser will put on a show. Hello, Meowser. What kind of performance are you doing today?
Hey everybody, watch the show. My name is Meowser, I'm your maestro. A cow and horse and a goat you'll see as they perform with my friend Cheep. Meow, 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 theater is a treat. Meow, 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 won't you take a seat? Meow, 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 watch the theater light
interesting. And there is the bell. The curtain will open soon.
I'm a horse, I clop, clop, clop. See the mane and tail I've got. I love living on a farm. I run fast and I run far. Wee-hee-hoo, how I sing. Sing along with everything. Wee-hee-hoo, wee-hee-hoo. Horsey loves to sing with you. I'm a cow, I moo, moo, moo. I love to eat grass for food. On the farm I love to live. I have so much milk to give. Moo, moo, how I sing. Sing along with everything. Moo, 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 moo. Yes, cow loves to sing with you. I'm a sheep, I ba, ba, ba. Look at all the wool I have. On the farm I'm so happy. In the meadow you can see. Ba, 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 how I sing. Sing along with everything. Ba, 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 ba. With the sheep you'll sing, oh yeah. I'm a funny goat, you see. Horns and fur and beard on me. On the farm I love to live. I have milk and wool to give. Ma, 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 how I sing. Sing along with everything. Ma, 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 ma. Sing with the goat, ma, ma, ma. On the farm we're happy and we would love to be your friend. That's our show, it's done and now we would like to take a bow. Hee-hoo, ba, ba, ba. Ma, 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 ma. Moo, 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 moo. Wee-hee-hoo-hoo, wee-hoo-hoo.
Bravo, Meowser and friends! Snowman. On the white page it is winter time. There has been a blizzard of snow, oh my. We will leave our footprints right in the snow. There are many snowdrifts around, you know. Take a ride down the ice. It's so fun in winter time. Winter time, winter time. It is snowy and so white. Hello, Hoppy. So much snow has fallen. It's time to make a snowman.
It's time for winter with blizzards, you know. We'll make a ball with a fresh fallen snow. We'll make a drawing to start with my friend. A perfect snowman will be with us then. It's snowman time! It's snowman time! A bucket hat and a carrot nose. Jumping, 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 right, left. Jumping, 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 strong, yes. Painting, 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 left, right. Painting, 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 white, white.
It's a great idea to start by drawing the snowman you want to make.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Let's have fun, it's drawing time. Find some paint that's really blue. Dip your finger in it too. Come on, let's draw a circle and we'll say hello to a snowman. A circle here, a circle there. We'll use the blue paint, my friends will share. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Let's continue drawing time. Carrot and a bucket too. Put them on, yes, that will do. Come on, let's draw a circle and we'll say hello to a snowman. A circle here, a circle there. We'll use the blue paint, my friends will share. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Let's continue drawing time. A red scarf and broom today. Snowman's ready now, hooray! Come on, let's draw a circle and we'll say hello to a snowman. A circle here, a circle there. We'll use the
blue paint. My friends will share.
The drawing of the snowman is done, and the snowman is too. It seems that it's snack time.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited.